Wow, what is this? Here are some pictures of yummy and delicious food. Yummy cupcakes, fruit and vegetable salads, delicious roasted chicken, and noodles. What do you like in food? I like all these yummy and delicious dishes. Do you know I like to eat all these yummy and delicious dishes at a party or picnic when I go with my parents? Which food do you like at your party or a picnic? Some foods are sweet in taste, like cupcakes. Some fruits are sweet in taste, and some are sour in taste, like oranges sour, and apple is sweet in taste. Same like that, roasted chicken and noodles are salty in taste. Dear students, some foods can be eaten raw, but they have to be washed properly before eating. Example, if you want to eat apple, but before eating, you should have to wash it properly. And some foods have to be cooked before eating. Cooking changes the food by making them softer and tastier. Cooking also kills germs in food. For example, chicken. We should have to wash and cook the chicken properly before eating. Open page number 48, Party and Picnic Food. The children brought some party and picnic food to class. Can you name some of the food? Look at the picture below, in which we can see vegetables, roast chicken, spaghetti, and cupcakes. Which of our senses can we use to find out whether the food is salty, sour, sweet, or bitter? Which parts of our body can we use to find out if the food is tasty? Dear students, we use our tongue to taste different food, and our sense of taste tells us whether something is sweet, salty, sour, or bitter. If we see in the pictures above, so some vegetables are sour like lemon and some are bitter like bitter gourd in taste. Same like that, roast chicken and spaghetti are salty in taste and cupcakes are sweet in taste. So we use our tongue to taste the food, and our sense of taste help us to find out whether something is salty, sour, sweet, or bitter. Now come on page number 49. Be careful. Taste only food that are fresh. Wash your hands with soap and water before touching the food. Wash fruits before eating them. Dear students, some of the party and picnic food can be eaten raw. Can you give some examples? Do you know what is raw food? Okay, let me tell you. Dear students, some fruits and some vegetables like cucumbers and tomatoes can be eaten raw. It means we can eat without cooking these. However, you need to wash them properly before eating them. Now come on page number 50. Some of the food need to be cooked. Have you ever tried cooking food for parties and picnics? How does the food change after cooking? Look at the picture below. This is chicken wings before cooking. And look at the picture below. This is the chicken wings after cooking. Can you imagine eating a piece of raw chicken? Cooking food such as meat helps to make them tender and soft. Our bodies can absorb food better and faster when it is cooked. Cooking also kills the germs in the food. Germs can make us sick. So we should have to wash and cook the food before eating. Besides, cooking makes some foods tastier and yummy. Dear students, today we have learned some objects are transparent as we can see through them easily. For example, a jug. And some objects are opaque as we cannot see through them. For example, a party hat. Some objects are shiny, for example, shiny gift wrapper. Others are dull, for example, brown paper. We can find out whether party and picnic food taste sweet, sour, salty, or bitter by using our sense of taste and our tongue. Some foods can be eaten raw, but they have to be washed properly before eating. And some food have to be cooked before eating. Cooking changes the food by making them softer and tastier. Cooking also kills germs in food. Dear students, I hope you will learn a lot from this video. I will need for your feedback. Thank you.